Welcome to Everyday Essentials.
Today we are going to do one more unboxing, so let's get started. Let's see what are there. First one, the black one, we'll see. I love it. It's look like that. Jordani Gold CC Cream SPF 35. CC Cream.
Let's see this one, Kajal, and this is the one color unlimited Kajal Ultimate Black.
Okay, we'll see this one. Can you see? This is Essential Gold Cream, multivitamin complex and olive oil. Nice.
And this is Possess Perfumed Body Cream. And this looks like nice, no? Big smile.
Yeah, nice. We'll see this. Love Nature. Similar to the green one, no? Refreshing face wash for all skin type. This is with organic strawberry. Nice. Good.
And this is Fairness Essentials Face Cream SPF 10.
And this is toothpaste Optifresh System 8. Total protection. Fresh mint.
And this is Soft Care's Protecting Hand Cleansing Gel.
It's like sanitizer, I guess.
Yeah. And this face wash, we have reviewed about this face wash in our previous video.
These are the soaps, and this is for men, and this green one, anybody can use this. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching our videos.
And we will come back with more videos like unboxing and reviews.
Thank you.
Bye.
Please subscribe and like. This is Optimal's. Sorry.
Refresh.